So I've been requested and asked for a room tour. I do have a nice room. I do have a pretty cool room. It would be wrong of me to show off my room in an unrealistic way because I'm gonna be completely honest. 99% of the time, my room looks like trash. If your room is not dirty 50% of the time, you're lying. There's no way. I saw a TikTok and it said that hot girls' rooms are dirty. They said it, not me. So I thought today I would give a realistic room tour. You're not allowed to judge me, okay? This is a judge-free channel. I know your room looked like this yesterday, if not today. So So this is currently my makeup situation. I don't have a desk. I do my makeup on the floor. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what's in these crevices. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's my Rare Beauty blush. What the fudge? I don't know if you can tell, but I actually built these drawers by myself. Oh my god. I literally just saw an ant in here, and I've been having an ant problem. Stop. No, they're all in here. Oh my god, I'm throwing these away. I don't even eat cough drops. Close. For once. Okay, I don't know what's in this box. Fortnite backpack. This was my first keyboard that I bought for my gaming setup. The reason I got a new one is because it's just so loud. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna keep these for backup. We're getting rid of this box first of all. Ow, my finger. The random things I find in my room. This makes me feel like one of those TikTok influencers. Get ready with me to go buy a shovel and whack my sister over the head with it because she took the last tortilla. Oh, hallelujah. I'm gonna put them on without the shoe.
I tried to pay, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play.
I have a ton of wigs for cosplaying. I think I'm actually gonna throw this one away or donate it because I really just...
Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
More wigs. This one's going in the trash. I have no idea why I own a giant pair of scissors, but you never know. Maybe they'll come in handy one day. I don't know. Who knew cleaning was like an Olympic sport? I have a stinky visitor.
Can I help you?
You can have my coins over there. It's a jug in the corner.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be filled. There's barely any.
I ain't that nice. Do you want it or no? I can
I'll
take them back.
Thank you.